John here, wrenching on a 2007 Pontiac Montana. It was towed in as a crank no start, and I'll show you what's going on. First thing I did was scan it, of course, came back with a P0689 and a P1682 ignition relay codes and feedback circuits. Found a fuse was blowing, and I put that in, fuse 18. It started up, of course. Checked on what was on that fuse on the, like what this fuse powers. On the wiring diagram, found out it was the ECM and this intake tuning valve down in here. So had a closer inspection of the wiring, cleaned it up, and I found that right there. And I could see it was rubbing against this motor mount bracket back here. So that little short right there to ground, that killed the fuse and caused a no start for it to tow in. So we're gonna fix that up and reroute that harness better and get that fixed up, and then this van will be on the road.